Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your Windows 10. It's really important to take a screenshot. Different terms and some of we don't know how to take a screenshot in our Windows 10. So here is a quick video for you. So let's take a look. First, you press the Ctrl and Print Screen button on your computer's keyboard together. You see the screenshot has been taken. If that does not work, then press the Alt and Print Screen button of your computer's keyboard together. If that does not work either, then press Windows and Print Screen button on the computer's keyboard together. Then the screenshot will be taken. Now I take a screenshot on my computer and see where it is saved on the computer. I press Windows and Print Screen button from my keyboard and then go to my computer storage. Here picture folder, then click screenshot folder, and here I see a screenshot of my computer. Here I can see a picture that I took a few minutes ago with a screenshot, and this way you can take a screenshot on your computer. Now I will show you another way by which you can take a screenshot of your computer. First you go to your computer start button and here you type snip. Here you see snipping tool apps and you click it. Then you see a interface like this. From here you select the mode option, click the mode option and select any of this. I suggest to click rectangular snip, so I click the rectangular snip. Now with the left click of the mouse you can cut the size of the skin as you wish. Then you will see a interface like this. Here you can edit this picture. Here many options. You can edit this picture and erase it, and you can edit with Paint 3D. If you save this picture, go to the file option and then click save as option. If you save this picture as JPG file, then click here and select JPG file, then click save option, and your picture will be saved with JPG file. And this way you can take screenshots on the computer.